Hello Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po ay nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. At kung bago kayo rito, welcome din po kayo. Please subscribe, like, share my videos, and leave me a comment kung nakaresonate kayo. And by the way, I would like to say hi muna and shout out sa ating beloved channel member na si at Alexander Toralba 3777. Maraming salamat po. Again and again, maraming salamat for being here, for the support sa channel, and sa pag-share ninyo ng inyong mga blessings, no? You're always sending me super thanks. Maraming salamat for your support. So, first message ninyo, we have the Two of Fire. Ayan. So, merong dalawang taong nag-uusap dito, maybe because they're having a conversation or they're having consultation with each other. Baka nagpaplano, 'di ba? So maaring merong pinag-uusapang plano, maaring nagdi-discuss, no, ng plano rito of kung ano man, pwedeng travel 'yan, pwedeng business, pwedeng business partnership ito or pwedeng partnership in a project, no, ang pinag-uusapan ninyo rito, no, ng kung sino man. And also, this is also siguro feeling ko, alam mo yun, yung parang baka nag-i-evaluate, no? Meron akong napipick up na parang siguro nag-uusap kayo with someone at ini-evaluate ninyo kung ano na yung mga na-accomplish ninyo. Kasi maaring nagka-partner na talaga sa isang negosyo or project, no? Mga ganon. And maaring ngayon nire-evaluate ninyo what happened already, 'di ba? Ano nang progress ng inyong negosyo or ano na yung progress ng inyong trabaho, yung ganon, no? Yung kung ano man proyekto na tutulungan ninyo, no? So possible na gano'n ang sitwasyon dito. We have Knight of Fire. You're going to be dito, feeling confident, no? You're going to be very passionate about something then na gagawin ninyo kasi maaaring meron kayo ritong balak gawin. And you are, kumbaga, nagmamadali kayo because you don't want to miss that opportunity, you know? At ang opportunity na to could be an adventure para sa'yo. This could be something na might involve travel, kaya siguro you're going to be very passionate about it kasi baka gustong-gusto mo talaga na maglalayas, maglalamierda, yung ganun. And at the same time, 'di ba, may maaaring pinagkakakitaan mo din ito, yung ganon, no? Kaya there is so much excitement in your heart, no, for some of you Gemini. And alam mo, no, excited ka dito kasi alam mo na kayang-kaya mo din ito. Kung ano man itong opportunity na to, walang duda, 'di ba? As in easy peasy ito para sa iyo and you will just be very easy for you to achieve it, no? So we also have the Queen of Water. Ayan. So maybe there is someone around you, Gemini, na very supportive of you. Siguro there is someone na laging nandiyan para sa'yo. You know, this could be someone, no, na Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. That person is very loving, very giving. Napaka lakas din ng kanyang mga psychic abilities, no? Maaring siya, pwedeng nanay mo siya, pwedeng kapatid mo, 'di ba? Since this is also a general reading, so hindi naman ito gender specific na reading, kaya it could be a brother, it could be a father, 'di ba? Pwede rin ganon. So anyway, this could be anyone. This could be anyone na very mapagmahal sa iyo, very maalaga sa iyo, 'di ba? Mapagbigay sa iyo, as in full support siya lagi, no? Kaya you are very lucky. Kasi maaring yung taong din ito is very supportive of you, alin man dito, no? Ang sitwasyon ninyo. So what else? We have it's up to you. Okay? Maaring meron kayong hinihinging guidance or confirmation from the divine at maaring meron kasi mga opportunities dito na iba-iba, no? Iba-iba at marami. Kaya parang sinasabi sa inyo rito or baka nagdadasal kayo na ituro sa iyo kung alin ang para sa iyo, 'di ba? Yung mga gano'n or kung ano yung best para sa iyo. And maybe, no, the answer is it's up to you kasi there could be different opportunities dito, but regardless kung alin man dito yung pipiliin mo, siguro all of them you will definitely achieve it. You will definitely be able to succeed, no? Kaya kahit alin diyan, no? Kaya sinasabi sa iyo, it's up to you kung alin diyan ang gusto mo. Anyway, alin man diyan ang kunin mo, you will prosper, you will progress, you will definitely succeed, no? Kaya binibigyan ka ng liberty to choose. So what else? We have take action. All you need to do is to take action, So, enough with the pagpipili, 'di ba? Kasi lahat ng 'yan ay para sa iyo. Lahat ng 'yan, regardless kung alin ang piliin mo, will have a positive outcome, no? Kaya kahit alin diyan, and ang importante, wag ka nang magpapatumpik-tumpik pa. Once na nakapili ka na, take action. Okay, gawan mo na agad ng paraan or take the single step already, 'di ba? Para magtuloy-tuloy ka na, mag-build ka na ng momentum. Get more information, no? At kailangan mo din na before you take action, kailangan na aralin mo din, no? Magtanong-tanong ka, magpa-advise ka kung may hindi ka sigurado para mas magandang super handa ka, no? If you need to gather more information about it, then do it, 'di ba? Para nang sa gayon makakasiguro ka na nakakasiguro ka sa every step na gagawin mo will be a success. Okay? So good luck. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste.